which fruit is this? Wow, it's an apple! Yay! Can you guess which fruit is this? Wow, it's a banana! Yummy! Yummy! Can you guess which fruit is this? Yes, you guessed it right. It's grapes. Can you guess which fruit is this? Yay, it's watermelon. Wow, so yummy. Great job today. You're amazing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun learning with Toto. Bye-bye.